ATM business. Can ATM ownership become a semi-passive income stream? What if you could operate an ATM in a high-traffic location and potentially earn revenue from transactions? ATM ownership is one of those business ideas that sounds almost completely passive because the machine can operate throughout the day without an employee standing next to it. But the reality is more complicated. Owning or operating an ATM is a business involving equipment, cash management, maintenance, security, connectivity, compliance, and a suitable location. The first thing to understand is that an ATM doesn't automatically make money just because you install it. The most important factor is transaction demand. A machine placed in an area where people regularly need cash may have a very different performance from one place somewhere with low foot traffic or easy access to other ATMs. So before spending money on equipment, research the location and understand whether there is a genuine need for another ATM. Potential locations can include certain retail areas, entertainment venues, transport-related locations, hospitality businesses, or other places where cash access may be useful, subject to local rules and permission from the property owner. The business model can vary depending on the country, ATM provider, operator arrangement, and applicable regulations. In some arrangements, the operator may receive a transaction-related fee or other revenue according to the contract. But you need to understand exactly how the money flows before investing. Don't believe social media posts showing only the revenue number. You need to calculate the net profit after location costs, connectivity, electricity, maintenance, cash handling, repairs, transaction charges, taxes, security expenses, and other operating costs. Cash management is a major consideration. The machine needs to have enough cash available for customers, but keeping large amounts of cash on site also creates security risks. You need a reliable process for replenishment and reconciliation. Depending on the business structure, you may work with a cash management service or other authorized provider rather than handling everything yourself. Security should never be treated as an afterthought. An ATM contains cash and financial equipment, so physical security, surveillance, tamper protection, and safe placement are important. You should also understand what happens if the machine is damaged, tampered with, or becomes unavailable. Insurance and contractual responsibilities may also matter. Another important factor is compliance. ATMs are part of the financial infrastructure, so you cannot simply purchase a machine online and place it wherever you want. Requirements vary by country and business model and can involve banking relationships, payment networks, identification requirements, licensing, reporting, consumer protection, and other rules. If you're in India, you should research the current RBI framework and work with an authorized bank, white label ATM operator, or other compliant provider as applicable. Verify the current requirements directly with official sources and the provider before committing money. AI can help with business calculations, location scoring, transaction forecasting, expense tracking, and comparing different scenarios. For example, you could create a spreadsheet that estimates how many transactions you would need each month to recover your equipment and operating costs. But remember that a forecast is only an estimate. Real-world transaction volume can be very different from your assumptions. One smart strategy is to negotiate with a location owner. Instead of simply asking to place an ATM for free, you may discuss a fixed rental arrangement or revenue sharing structure depending on the provider and what the property owner accepts. Both sides should understand the arrangement clearly in writing. Another important point is scalability. If one location performs well and the operation is profitable after all costs, you may consider adding additional locations. But don't scale simply because 1 month looks good. Study several months of actual data and make sure the business remains profitable after maintenance and unexpected costs. ATM ownership can potentially be a semi-passive business, but it is not free money. Machines require monitoring, cash availability, maintenance, security, connectivity, and compliance. If you're considering this model, start with research rather than equipment. Find out whether the location has demand, understand the provider's business model, calculate your break-even point, verify regulations, and identify every ongoing expense. The machine is just the hardware. The real business is the network, location, transaction volume, and operational system behind it. If you enjoyed this video, follow for more small business ideas, passive income concepts, AI tools, investment education, and practical ways to build additional income.